Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover deleted Discord account. First, unlock your phone and open the Discord app. Make sure you're using the same device or account details you used before. When you open the app, the screen may look different if your account was deleted. Now we will check the login status. Now look carefully at the screen. If your account was permanently deleted, you will only see a Create New Account option. In that case, recovery is not possible, but if it was only deactivated, you may still be able to log in. If your account was not permanently deleted, enter your username and password. Try logging in normally to see if access is restored. Sometimes accounts can be reactivated using the same login details. This is the only method for recovery. If login does not work, it means your account is permanently deleted. In this case, Discord does not allow recovery. You will need to create a new account from scratch. All previous data will not be restored. And that's how you can check whether a deleted Discord account can be recovered or not. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.